Hi everyone, welcome back to my mukbang. So I'm back with another noodles. I mean you can't really go wrong with noodles, right? But anyway, so here's the thing. I really wanted the shinramen that's like the like not authentic, but one of the original Korean instant noodles. Usually when I go to Jewel Osco, it's I don't think they have it in West Coast or East Coast. I don't know. Maybe it's like a Midwest thing, but it's the groceries, and they always like that. I remember them being the first to carry a Korean instant noodles. So I always go there when I run out. Instead of going driving all the way to H Mart, I go there just to get my ramen fix. But today, the day that I really needed, I go there. They actually didn't have any. They had the newest, the stir fry, noguri stir fry, and like the chawa. I'm just like, okay, well, the day I really needed it, they didn't have it, so I decided I didn't want to go, I didn't want to go to like H Mart or somewhere further, so I just got the stir fry one and made into soup, and I think I tasted a little bit. It's okay. I mean, yeah, it tastes completely okay. I mean, it's a slight difference. It's a little different from the original naguri, which is a soupy one, but it'll do. It'll you know do for the day. I just added two eggs in here. It's in here somewhere. I want to add some black pepper because I just love black pepper. I do that, and on the side I have some homemade kimchi. Well, my mom's kimchi. Oops. And for today's drink, I just have water. I think ramen is the best with water. Okay. I got one. Okay, it's 1:30. So do you guys see the egg? Egg right here. That's perfect. So this is two packs of ramen. Okay. So I'm gonna get some kimchi. I want like a big one. Come on. Okay, see this one? This is actually shingimchi. Shingimchi is like really fermented kimchi. So they're very sour. So good. Okay, it's closer to me. Some egg. You can tell that this is the stir fry one because they have a little raccoon. I think only the stir fry ones have that. Oh yeah, the big piece. Like the perfectly cooked eggs. Oh, I hate these chopsticks. I have to use these wooden chopsticks. These are not working very well. It's kind of like killing the flow. So good. I put black peppers in everything. Black pepper ramen, especially fried rice. So good. Okay, I'm going to end the video here today. I hope you guys enjoyed today's mukbang, today's quick mukbang. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys!